Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to create a terms and conditions page in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website. Right here is shopify.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your Shopify account, you'll be greeted by your store right here, where you can see all the options we can access at the left side of the screen, such as our home, orders, products, and so on. And now we can get started with adding the terms and conditions page to our store. So what we want to do guys is right here on the left side of the screen, go to the bottom and click the settings icon. After opening up the settings icon, this is now going to open up this new main menu where you can take a look at all the settings you can access, such as your general settings, plan, billing, and so on. And what we are looking for guys is right here at the bottom of this page. So you want to scroll all the way down and find the policies section. So open up the policies section guys, and this is now going to open up this new menu where you can get started with making your written policies. And guys, as you can see here, we have our terms of service. So you can get started with editing your terms of service, your return and refund policy, and so on. All you have to do is just click on the section you want to edit. As you can see, you can get started with writing it out right here. No refunds, you can take a look at whatever you want, type it out whatever you want, and once you're satisfied, click on publish right here, and it's going to publish your terms of service. And now people, when buying products, will be able to read them. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.